Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale failed to connect to server. So all you need to do here is go to search bar and search for view network connection. From here go to your Ethernet, right click and then click properties and then search for protocol internet version 4, click on it, then click on properties, then click use the following DNS server address here and write this code. And here write this code exactly like this, then click OK, and after that all you need to do is go here and search for date and time settings. From here make sure that the set time zone automatically is on and set time automatically is on also. Then go here and click sync now. This should fix your problem. If you still have any issues, you need to check your launcher and make an update. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.